Good morning, everyone. My name is Francisca. Let's learn English by studying 10 top European countries and their capital cities.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Can I ask you something?
Of course. What would you like to know?
What's the capital city of Belgium?
The capital city of Belgium is Brussels.
What about the capital city of Austria?
The capital city of Austria is Vienna.
What's the capital city of Switzerland?
The capital city of Switzerland is Bern.
What about the capital city of Sweden?
The capital city of Sweden is Stockholm.
What's the capital city of Netherlands?
The capital city of Netherlands is Amsterdam.
What about the capital city of Spain?
The capital city of Spain is Madrid.
What's the capital city of Italy?
The capital city of Italy is Rome.
What about the capital Germany?
The capital city of Germany is Berlin.
What's the capital city of France?
The capital city of France is Paris.
What about the capital of United Kingdom?
The capital city of United Kingdom is London.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
I will, thanks again. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Have a great day.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.